Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you some really cool things about Peardeck. So first, I want to show you how to change the slide. So if you see this button here, you just press this and it will move you to the next slide. The next thing I want to show you is how to listen to the audio. So if you're on a slide that says audio included, if you come down here to the bottom right, you have this headphone button. And when you click that, audio pops up and then you press play. Please don't forget to check in with me and it will play the audio. Okay, the last thing I want to show you, and I'll do it on this slide, is the immersive reader. So if you click this little book right here, it changes the slide to look like this. If you click text preferences, you can change the size, you can change the font, change the color, whatever. You can also show the grammar. So you have like the syllables, parts of speech. So like if I want to see the nouns, I click this button and it turns them a different color. And the last thing I want to show you, which is why I'm showing you, is the line focus. So one thing you can do is if you don't know a word, you can click on it and you can see a picture of that word. So, like, let's say I don't know what edit means.
Edit.
It will show you a picture. Another thing it can do is translate into all of these languages. So say I want to translate it to Arabic. And I'm going to do the whole document. And now it's in Arabic. It does Spanish. And you can do this by word, or you can do it for like the whole document.
Objetivo. Diagonal. Objective. Objetivo. Diagonal.
So another thing, if you turn this back off, see, I want to turn off the translator. There we go. Is you can do a line focus. So you just read like one part of the text at a time. And you can listen to it. I'll move my face out of the way.
Objective. Slash. Standard.
So it will read it to you.
I.
Or if you want to do the whole thing, that's fine too. I'm going to turn that back off. And finally,
Objective. Slash. Standard.
you can also change the voice here on this button and change it to male or female. And if it talks too fast, you can slow it down. Or if it talks too slow, you can speed it up. But if you want it slower, you can click here on this button.
Standard. I can edit my letter using a checklist.
See, it gets a little
What
funky.
is standard language of language arts? Objective/standard. I can edit my letter using a checklist. What is standard language of language arts?
So those are some really cool features that you can use on Peardeck. Also, you can draw, which you guys already knew that, and answer the questions, and we have links in here. So that's just something to kind of help you do Pear Deck. So I hope this video helps you, and if you have questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye.